Did you know in Gaelic there are two different ways of counting? So numbers 1 to 20 follow a straightforward rule, but after 20 you can go two different ways. You can say fheicit a fhein, fheicit a ga, 21, 22, the decimal system. But you can also say un erichet, ga erichet, 1 on 20, 2 on 20. This is the vigesimal system. So 30 can either be trichet or dèich ichet, 10 on 20. 40 is keret or dòigh, 2 20s. And 50 can be kirket or lechiet, half of 100, or dòigh a dèich. You can use either way. It's pretty common to hear the vigesimal system, and you do get used to it, unless someone says to you quickly, what's seach dèich erichet plus ceithir fheicit a neu dèich plus trí dèich erichet? So when you learn Gaelic, you learn a language, but sometimes you get a maths lesson too. It probably makes your brain twice as smart though. You're welcome.